Oh, what you got going? You happy to see you? You happy to see your bracket? Oh, oh, you're so happy. You're so happy to see me. Oh, you just can't stand it. Yeah. Oh, happy tail. Yeah. You wake up and see your man, huh? Oh, sneezes. Oh, sneezes. Oh, sneezes. Oh. 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 Happy Wiener Dog. Oh. 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 Snorting. Oh, licking, snorting. Happiness. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Attacking the wiener. Oh, there's her bed on the nightstand. Oh. Oh, biting. Biting, kicking. Oh. This is what you call waking up a happy dog. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh, kick. Oh, kicking. Oh, whining. Oh. You're happy to see your man. Oh. Oh. Oh, biting. Chomp, chomp. Chomp, chomp. Oh, you finally got it out of you? You finally got it out? Oh. Oh, finally got it all out. Yeah, she's a relaxed dog. Had to get out the emotions. She does this every time when she wakes up in the morning and sees me. She does this squealing, attacking thing where she's so happy. And then when I get home from work, she does the same thing whenever she hasn't seen me for a while. What's so funny about this one is she actually is doing it. And her little bed's right here next to my bed. That's her little bed. And she's only inches away from me. Yeah, when she wakes up and sees me, she still does this. It's hilarious. And then when I come home from work, or if I've been gone for a while, that's the reception I get, is a big old Fiesta attack dog. Anyway, thought I'd share because it's hilarious. Yeah, you're pretty relaxed now. I got it all out. Yeah. Wore yourself right out, didn't you? Anyway, that's Angel. I'm a crazy bugger. Really cute.